ever dreamed of a future where your glasses are more than just for seeing, where a quick glance gives you translations, directions, and even health stats, all without pulling out your phone? Well, that future might be closer than you think. Today, we re-dive in deep into the next evolution of smart eyewear, the brand new Even G to display smart glasses and its revolutionary companion, the R1 Smart Ring. Even Realities has been a fascinating company to watch. Their first-generation G1 glasses were a solid first step, showing us the potential of a lightweight heads-up display integrated into everyday life. But now, with the G2, they're not just refining the formula, they're completely changing the game. So, what's new? Let's start with the glasses themselves. The Even G2 looks sleeker and more like a regular pair of stylish frames. The temples are a whopping 54% slimmer than the previous model, which is a huge deal for comfort and aesthetics. And for the first time, they are IP67 rated for dust and water resistance. So if you get caught in the rain or work up a sweat, you don't have to panic. This is a big step towards making smart glasses a truly all-day, everyday accessory. But the real magic happens when you look through the lenses. The G2 features an upgraded version of Even Realities. How? Optical engine. What does that mean for you? It means the bright green text that displays information is now sharper and has a sense of depth. Think of it like this. Your usual interface, like the time or your notifications, can appear at one distance, while a new pop-up, like an AI prompt, can appear at a different depth. This is a subtle but brilliant design choice. It helps you stay focused on what you're doing without the digital information feeling cluttered or intrusive. It adds a layer of organization to your digital world, right before your eyes. And for all of us who rely on prescription lenses, there's great news. The G2 dramatically expands its support, now accommodating prescriptions from -12 to +12 diopters. This makes the technology accessible to a much wider audience, which is something we love to see. Battery life has also seen a significant upgrade. The G1 gave you about a day and a half, but the G2 pushes that to a full 2 days of use. Plus, the charging case it comes with can provide up to 7 full recharges on the go. This means you could potentially go for 2 weeks without ever needing to plug the case into a wall. That is incredible freedom and a major selling point for anyone who travels or just hates being tethered to an outlet. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part of this new ecosystem, the Even R1 Smart Ring. While you can still control the G2 glasses by tapping the frames or using voice commands, the R1 Ring introduces a whole new level of discreet and effortless interaction. Imagine you're in a meeting or walking down a busy street. Instead of raising your hand to your head or talking to your glasses, you can simply and subtly Swipe your thumb across a small touchpad on the ring to navigate menus, dismiss notifications, or answer a call. The ring is crafted from ceramic and medical-grade stainless steel, so it's built to last and looks pretty sleek too. But the R1 isn't just a remote control. It's also a powerful health tracker. It is packed with an optical heart rate sensor and an accelerometer to monitor your heart rate and track your steps. And where do you see all this data? You guessed it right, on the display of your G2 glasses. You can get a real-time view of your activity level with just a glance. While other smart rings exist, this seamless integration with a heads-up display is what makes the Even ecosystem so compelling. It's a combination that feels intuitive and genuinely useful. You might be thinking of other smart glasses on the market, like the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Those have their own unique input methods. But even Reality's approach with the R1 ring feels different. It provides that same level of discrete control while also serving a standalone purpose as a health and fitness device. It's a 2-for-1 that makes a lot of sense. Of course, hardware is only half the story. The software is where these devices truly come to life. The G2 supports all the great features from the last model, like real-time translation, notifications, and a super handy teleprompter function. But now, Even Realities is introducing a new AI skill called Conversate. This is where things get really futuristic. Conversate is designed to be an AI assistant for your real-life conversation. The company says it can provide explanations, context, and even suggest follow-up questions while you're talking to someone. When the conversation is over, it can generate a summary with all the key points. Now, I'll be honest, my first reaction was that this could be a bit distracting. The idea of an AI whispering in your ear while you retrying to have a genuine human interaction sounds strange. It might be one of those features you have to try for yourself to truly understand its value. Could it be a game changer for business meetings or interviews? Or will it feel like an unwelcome intrusion? The jury is still out, but it's a bold experiment in social AI, and I'm very curious to see how it works in practice. This new layer of AI, combined with the ring controller, does suggest that the G2 ecosystem will have a bit more of a learning curve than its predecessor. The G1 was praised for its simplicity. The G2 and R1 combo is clearly more ambitious. It's not trying to be a full-blown phone replacement like some other devices, but it's definitely pushing the boundaries of what we expect from smart glasses. It wants to be an intelligent companion that enhances your reality, not just reflects it. So, let's talk about availability and price. The Even GE. The Display Smart Glasses and the Even R1 Smart Ring are available to order right now. The G2 glasses will set you back $599, and the R1 ring is priced at $249. However, Even Realities is running a launch promotion. For a limited time, if you purchase the G2 glasses, you can get the R1 ring and other accessories for 50% off. That brings the ring down to about $125, which makes buying them as a bundle a much more attractive proposition. What's the final verdict? Even Realities is making a powerful statement with the G2 and R1. They've listened to feedback, improving the design, comfort, battery life, and durability of the glasses. They've made them accessible to more people with wider prescription support. And with the R1 ring, they've created a control system that feels both futuristic and practical while adding health tracking to the mix. The Conversate AI is the biggest question mark, but it shows the company isn't afraid to innovate and push the envelope. While there might be a learning curve, this combination of devices represents one of the most thoughtful and complete smart glass ecosystems we've seen to date. It's a compelling package for tech enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone who wants a functional, stylish glimpse into the future of personal computing. What do you think? Are you ready to wear your notifications? Is the R1 Smart Ring a genius idea or just another gadget to charge? And could you see yourself using an AI assistant during your conversations? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay up to date on all the latest tech, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next one.